everyone, it's Gail. I am here with the final flip through of the Christmas journal that we've been working on throughout the series. So, thank you so much for joining me for all the different steps of creating this journal. So, it's all finished, and again, this book was inspired by this cover, uh, or the little book that this cover was from, The Little Night Before Christmas. Um, this was a custom order that the gal saw me show this little book from an antique or a estate sale haul and asked that I make her a book from it. So here we go. The book has 3 signatures, and we'll just open it up and check it out. Let me make sure I'm in frame for the most part. So on the front is a little envelope with the clasp that opens up from the top this way. And then I've adhered it on so that it is a pocket over here too. So here's the beginning of the first signature. We've got the first page of the original book, and the copyright is 1918. And then on this side is a double belly band where I've hooked this little Christmas card from 1912, just right there. It's all on graph paper here. This is children's definition page, and the word Christmas is there. We've got a couple little envelopes that flip here, and we created these little tags with Santa Claus on them to tuck in there. And his little eyes peek up over the edges, and they're topped with some gingham there. And then, of course, you can put things in the envelopes. This flips up, and there's lined coffee dyed paper underneath. There's a Tim Holtz photo sleeve on there. Children's music, echo dyed paper. This coffee dyed paper has a fabric flip on this side with some chenille rickrack and a Santa button, and flips up for journaling space. This little pocket out of gift wrap has this tag in it. I just kind of did a mixed media background with some Distress Oxide and some stamping, and then this image is from Tsunami Rose, and then that's just topped with a little red Christmas ribbon. Did some stenciling, and this page says remember. This is from the children's magazine. The photo sleeves on the front. Then in the middle here, we have the vellum that is full page size, so lots of room to tuck things in there. And then some more photo flips, so there can be 4 photos on each page. This is from the magazine. Once again, this is coffee dyed paper with stenciling here and there. Here's the other side of the gift wrap, and then another one of the tags with the Tsunami Rose image. She wanted a lot of references to Santa in here, so we did that. This is a vintage napkin that I made into a pocket and added this collage tag in there. This little tuck was inspired by a gift, and I just made one for every signature and this one has this little postcard in there. The music paper, the lined paper. Here's the other side of the envelopes, and we have pictures from the original book, and then these are little envelopes tucked in there. And this is the other side of the definition paper. It has the word church here. This is a little, just a little book page pocket. This is a 7 Gypsies journaling card, one from my stash, and then a page from the original book. Another page from the original book, some fabric ruffles there. Then the second signature, this is a vintage greeting card on the front. Again, a page from the original book, and another one tucked into this little side pocket here. Here's the Tim Holtz photo sleeve there on the lined paper. And then this is the fabric flip in this signature. This definition has the word present. And then this little envelope has, just tucked inside here, it has a little journaling card that says A Bright Christmas. And definition paper, the word joy, and some light stenciling once again, the echo dyed paper. Here is the double belly band on this side, and oh, I actually like that better. We'll leave that there. So this is just a journaling card from my stash. This signature has the vellum pockets on either side here, for another photo could be put in there or whatever. The tuck with another journaling card from my stash. Some light stenciling. This is wrapping paper that flips out. I just put a little washi to give it a little decorative element there. And then on this side of the envelope, I have a vintage Christmas greeting card. Have a made journaling card from a page from the original book. And then, of course, you can put things in the envelope here. And then this is a vintage postcard here. This is the pocket that it's got this little vintage greeting card on it from 1912. And then this folds up for extra journaling space, and it has a collage tag in it. Lined coffee dyed paper again. Here's another book page pocket. I've put a vintage sticker on there, some tags, and a journaling card in the pocket, and a journaling card and picture from the original book tucked behind here. Original page from the book and fabric ruffle, and then the third signature. So here's the double belly band here, and it's got a vintage Christmas card in it as well. Page from the book, the music. Here's the Tim Holtz photo sleeve on this page on the lined paper. Vintage Christmas wrap, and I've just made a pocket with it and have a coffee dyed index card with a little trim on it in there. This side of the envelope has yet another vintage Christmas card included from the children's magazine. Here's the last fabric flip of the book, and I put the little salvage up here just to bring in the color a little bit, and I just cut it off 1 through 12, so 12 days of Christmas. So added that onto the echo dyed paper. Here's some more stenciling. This one has snowflake, snowball, snowman on there. And then once again, some more of the photo sleeves. So again, there's room for 4 pictures there. This is the middle, and again, it's the vellum on both sides. So, and then more room for pictures. Here's the tuck on this side with just a little card from my stash. Echo dyed. This is the definition paper, vintage napkin with collage tag from the children's magazine. Here's the little flap of the envelope, lined paper, children's music paper. Then these are just a couple little journaling cards from Seven Gypsies. This is from the original book, and this little envelope was gifted to me. And then this little page, and it says "The End." And there's a fabric ruffle, and then we have yet another envelope on here that is a pocket on the side and opens from the top. So that's the journal. I really appreciate everybody watching this series and crafting along with me while I made this journal. It was a ton of fun, and I'm super happy with how it's turned out. And thank you so much for watching and all of your advice and comments and positive thoughts. I really, really appreciate it. I hope everybody has a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.